Hey guys, it's Sean Wilmoth and I'm here to talk to you about Unit 3A North. And I'm going to stand a little away from where you're going to arrive just so you understand. You're going to be pulling up this driveway that's labeled Barndo 2 and 3 down there. There's a nice bright sign when you come in. You're going to go straight up this driveway towards me. You're going to go, that's Barndo 3 right there. You're going to go around the back of the building. So you're going to drive all the way around the back until you get to the front of the building, and there's parking over there. I'm going to walk over there to show you. I won't drive around the building. I'm just going to walk and take a shortcut here. But this way you'll know where you're going. I'll turn the camera here so you can see where we're walking. This is your parking spot right here with a little white table and chairs. And this is your patio right there as well. So when you arrive, you're going to come in across the back, if you see right there, and around, all the way around to right there and park. So you'll be right next to your unit, as well as you'll have the patio here to use. My name is Sean Wilmoth. My wife and I, Priscilla, own Cedar Pond Farms. We're glad that you're here. We're excited about you staying with us. If you've not checked out a cow experience, you should really do that. There are thousands of people a year that visit our cow experience, and they love it. So we hope that you'll do that as well. And then last but not least, visit cedarpondfarms.com, and that is our booking platform for direct bookings for overnights, as well as direct bookings for our cow experience. Thanks for staying at Unit 3A North, because that's north on that side. Thank you. Bye-bye.